INSPIRELI Awards is the biggest architecture student competition created with the idea to support young talent regardless of their social, economic or ethnic conditions. To ensure the fair competition for everyone, we created an elaborate and unique voting system designed to give every student a guaranteed chance to prove their talent. We have assembled the largest jury in the history of architecture, representing more than 100 countries, including the official representation of the Holy See to the Vatican. Hundreds of student projects are judged by hundreds of professional architects, designers, former INSPIRELI Awards participants, or representatives of universities of architecture. Our unique voting system consists of 3 rounds. In the first round, all student projects are divided into groups of up to 80 projects, which are judged online by 30 to 50 jurors of different backgrounds, origins, ages and genders. Each juror can recommend any number of projects in a group to advance to the final round by assigning them a vote. To ensure fairness, projects that have been nominated by the highest percentage of voting jurors across all groups, and have also been approved by the jury chairman, who checks the consistency between the visual and textual aspects of the final project, will proceed to the final round. In this way, between 5 and a maximum of 30 projects for each category, architecture, urbanism and interior design, will advance to the final round. In the second round, the entire jury votes at once in the 3 final categories: architecture, interior and urbanism. Each juror nominates their favorites for first, second and third place. The third round is decided by a jury board consisting of the chairman and vice chairman of the jury for each category: architecture, urban planning and interior design. Each vice chair proposes to the jury board the nominations for the winning student project for their category, and by mutual agreement the winners of the INSPIRELI Awards are then determined. This unique voting system ensures objectivity, fairness and impartiality for any number of entries and allows INSPIRELI Awards to grow into a competition that knows no boundaries. We are INSPIRELI family. Join us.